Music is such an important part of all our lives, whether you notice it or not. You're always listening to it one way or the other. Whether you're with friends, or cleaning your room, or by yourself, music is undeniably present. So we figured, why not get paid while you do so? It's basically you being paid to do something you're already doing. It takes no extra time, and many people have found it a super easy way to make a little extra money on the side. What if we told you there's a button you can get on your phone that'll pay you every time you play music? We'll break it down for you and help you get started right away. We can't exactly guarantee you a certain type of result from this method. You can make anywhere between a couple of extra bucks or even thousands. It's pretty unpredictable. If you follow our steps the correct way, you could make at least $50. If you play your cards right, you could even make a stable income out of it. The best thing about this method is how convenient it is. You can play music all day, every day. Let it go on even when you're sleeping or just going about your day. Plus, the websites we found are available all over the world. They're also totally free. You don't need any initial investment before you start earning either. The first thing you need to do is set up a PayPal account. This is the channel through which you'll be paid from several different sites. Visit paypal.com on your web browser and click the sign up button. Use the personal account option and register yourself. One of the websites is radioearn.com. Once you enter, there's a dashboard with statistics showing how many members the site has, how much money people have earned through this venture, how many of the members are live and online, listening to music and making money as we speak. There's also a map of the world. You can zoom in and out on different parts and see how many people from each of those countries are listening to music right now. But to have access to these features and make money, you're going to have to sign up. It's quite a standard procedure. You just require your email and a password. After you're finished signing up, you'll have the option of selecting from 3 different radio stations. You receive payment every 15 minutes, and the points keep stacking up as you keep listening. Once you choose your radio station, another tab will pop up. This tab will also have a banner ad. These websites earn a lot of revenue through ads. This is what you'll be paid from. You also have the option of playing the music on iTunes. There'll be a button under the seek bar that says, "Open the stream with your player." You can also play the radio station with any existing apps for media playing already on your phone too. There's even a timer that lets you know how much longer till you're paid next, at regular intervals of exactly 15 minutes. If you're skeptical still, you can look at the payment proofs on the website. You can see the dozens of testimonials from satisfied people who made money on this website. Now, on to the second website we discovered. This one is called hitpredictor.com and will also allow you to earn money just by listening to music. All the music here is unreleased, and very few, sometimes no people have heard it before. This site will also be transferring your funds through PayPal and has a quick payment plan. The fun thing about this website is that you can listen to different artists and give ratings to their work. As with everything, you first make an account and log in. Then there'll be a button on the left that says Rate Music. It'll redirect you to a player where a song will be played and you can listen to it. When the music's over, you'll be taken to another page and there'll be a small box where you have to leave your review of what you just heard. For every song you listen to and review, you'll be awarded points, which you can later turn to cash. You can also exchange the points for other things such as DVDs, CDs, concert tickets, and such. Here, you'll be paid $1 for every 3 reviews you write and submit. You can also increase this sum simply by writing longer reviews. You can also earn rewards, for example, Amazon gift cards. But for this to be effective, you need to have good writing skills and leave reviews of a very good quality and properly take apart the good and bad in all the songs you check out. A third website where you can make money similarly is cash4minutes.com. Through this website, you will be paid every time you make a call. Earnably is another online radio station that pays you to listen to the radio. It works similar to Radio Earn. You have to listen to the radio station and let the points build up, which are later turned into money. The best part about this is that you can just let it play, even when you're not listening, and let the points and money keep adding up. It's basically free money. There's also Fusion Cash, an online forum in which you play the radio and hear whatever song is on. We can guarantee you a minimum payout of $25 every 2 weeks, which is a pretty decent amount of money to be paid for just sitting around listening to music. You can also use Music X-Ray. Again, you sign up for free, you're taken to a page with blanks for you to type in the required information, and you're done. Now that you're logged in, you repeat the steps. You can even connect your SoundCloud and use that. Music X-Ray also has a lot of variety, and you can choose songs from any genre you like and listen to those. That way it wouldn't even be a chore. You'd be doing something you already do. You can also browse the focus group discussions on their genres. It's like an online forum. A little notification pops up as soon as a new song from your selected genre comes in. On this site, listening to a song for half a minute will give you 10 cents. The money's going to stack up as you continue listening, and this amount can easily be turned into $100 or $200 within maybe a month. You can also browse the focus group discussions on their genres. It's like an online forum. Another platform you can use to make money just by enjoying music is Nielsen. A lot of commercial research uses this app. Once you've downloaded Nielsen, this app will require access to your musical activities. You'll be paid because essentially you'll be assisting with their research by testing their products. You don't have to be fearful, your data is safe on your devices. Only the relevant things will be monitored by the app, such as the music streaming platforms you have on your phone, the kind of music you prefer listening to, what genres interest you, and what sort of advertising really piques your interest. Later on, the app will take the data they've collected and sell it to different people and corporations who would be interested in it, such as record companies and music producers, for instance. However, we must warn you, the payoff for this app is not a lot. It's estimated at around $50 per year. You can always use this method simultaneously with the other ones, though, to make a decent sum, because this one does not pay as much. But you do always have the chance to win the bonus throughout the year. It's still an easy, almost no effort way to make money. So there you have it. We brought you several different, all free and easy ways to make money listening to music. We hope at least some of you take a leap of faith and try at least some of these methods out and earn some extra cash. There is a way to make money through YouTube that's very simple. And no, it doesn't involve making videos, selling any products, or investing any money. It doesn't even require any special set of skills. You could do it at home. You could begin right away, actually, as a matter of fact. To begin, you need to look at some YouTube channels that are popular and doing well on the platform. We have found a way to achieve this without all the effort it usually takes and make possibly even more than these successful channels. This method doesn't call for you to make videos, perform any affiliate marketing whatsoever. So for example, go to the search bar and type in something that typically millions of people would be interested in watching. For those videos definitely have millions of views, such as how to get six-pack abs. This is because you need a search query that has a huge audience base. Even if you bring in a small percentage of the views these videos have garnered, you will still be making a significant amount of money. This is because you don't need as many views to make money here. Using the method that we have found for you, you are going to bring in more money through less views. You need your own version of such and such videos, whatever the niche it is that you've chosen. This method is absolutely perfect for just about anyone, because you don't need an established channel with views and subscribers to get started. This is because through our method of making money, you won't be dependent on the revenue that comes with the ads attached to these videos.